Field team feedback is key for retail business. It gives you qualitative information all in one place, structured data for more precise analysis, time saved when asking for or managing data, and gain flexibility. Having said that, let's get to the heart of the matter.
When creating a new survey, the starting point is to create a survey model, which you will then publish and share with your team in a second step. So how to create a model? The first step is to open the Models tab in the Surveys section. Click on Add Model to create a new survey from scratch. Make sure to give a name to your survey. List the survey's owners, so the owner is in charge of the survey. You can assign multiple owners to a survey, for instance, each of them responsible for a region. Select the markets targeted by this survey, in other words, the markets where you will be able to publish this survey. And finally, note that all these fields are mandatory. Once ready, click on Confirm. Now you can create a new group of questions by clicking on Add Group, then add a question. Multiple types of answers are available, such as yes, no, multiple choice, numerical, text, and so on. If the required option is checked, then the respondent will be forced to provide an answer. We recommend inserting an image to illustrate your questions when possible. For example, to the question, please take a picture to illustrate the facade, give an example of what it should look like. Please note that this only applies to the question types such as text, image, multiple choice, and yes or no. If you choose the photo type of answer, then you can also define at this stage the tags that will be automatically applied to the photos uploaded and the maximum amounts of photos the respondent can upload. You can add new groups and change the order of questions or groups by clicking the up or down arrows. Finally, make sure to regularly save your work as it is not auto-saved and click on Confirm once ready. After creating a model, the next step is to publish it, to start collecting feedback from the field. Now we can define the settings for the publication of this survey. So first, choose the survey's owner. So the owner should have been defined when creating the survey model, but it can still be updated at this stage. Then you can define the deadline. So indeed, this field is optional, but we recommend using it for a better follow-up on the ongoing surveys. So defining a deadline will encourage users on the field to provide feedback in due time, but no worries, the survey will not be deleted automatically past the deadline. Then you can define the recipients, so there are two options, either send to stores, and in this case, all the users linked to any of the defined stores will be notified once the survey is published and will be able to answer it. Or the second option, send to specific contact, and in this case, all the users linked to any of the defined stores will be able to answer the survey, but you can decide which user will be notified. So only the selected contact will be notified when the owner sends a reminder. Once you finish, click on Confirm to publish the survey. Note that after publishing, settings are no longer editable, so make sure the information provided is correct. Now the survey is available in each of the selected stores. You can decide to notify the store contacts now and write a personalized message that will be sent along with the notification, or you can decide to do it later. It's up to you.
This was a quick overview of how to create a survey. I hope they will fly now all over your store. See you!